The Delhi mayor oath-taking ceremony turned violent as slogans were raised by the Aam Aadmi Party councillors. AAP councillors objected to the sequence in which the oath was being administered. Earlier, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal had expressed his apprehension over the nomination made by Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena. He wrote a letter in which he stated the unconstitutional manner in which 10 aldermen were nominated to the Municipal Corporation of Delhi by bypassing the Delhi government. Delhi Lieutenant Governor Saxena had appointed BJP councillor Satya Sharma as the temporary speaker to preside over the election instead of Mukesh Goyal, whom AAP had recommended. Delhi MCD elections were held last month, in which AAP got 134 seats and BJP got 104 seats. Meanwhile, the Congress party, which got 9 seats, had decided to walk out of the house, thereby adding to the frustration of AAP, as they claim that the Congress is hand and glove with the BJP.